This is Cadet Private Brock, Cadet Corporal Salinas, Cadet Private First Class Browning, Cadet Corporal Eat a Chocolate, and Cadet Corporal Mendoza. Today we will be teaching you how to assemble the dress blue uniforms, emblems, insignias, ribbons, and badges. This here is a Marine Corps emblem. First place them into the collar of the dress blue, both the left and right emblems. Then make sure the emblems are worn with wings parallel to the deck, which is pointed to the floor, and the anchor is pointed in. Now for the ring insignia. For the dress blue uniform, the gold ring insignia for enlisted cadets will only be worn on the blue Colt shoulder strap, 3/4 of an inch from the edge and centered, with the lantern facing forward. Or in this case, as you can see here, the stripes pointing upwards. It's a tedious process for some, but once you know got all the boxes checked, you should be good to go. Here are the ribbons. Male ribbons 1/8 above and centered over the left breast pocket of the khaki shirt or dress blue coat. When worn with the marksmanship badge, ribbons will be placed 1/8 above the badge. Lastly, badges. Males wear authorized badges 1/8 above and centered over the left breast pocket of the dress blue coat. Females will wear badges centered between the top and the second button, centered of the left side of the dress blue coat. Note that when medals are worn on the blues coat, badges will not be worn. And with that all out of the way, you officially finish assembling all your dress blue attachments. We hope this video was helpful.